Hi guys, I am going to show you how to use Google Classroom. I don't know if any of you guys have used this before, but if not, I just want to show you how you can go into Google Classroom and find different activities and assignments and turn them in. And then I can see them all the way from over here. So what you're going to do is you're just going to search Google Classroom. And I already did that. And then the very first link should just say Google Classroom. I'm going to click on that. And then here, it won't have your email address saved. So you'll have to type your email address into where it says here. It should have just an area for you to type it in. But mine's already on there. This isn't mine. This is my mom's. But for now, just pretend it's mine. I'm going to click on my email. And then for some reason it makes you do it again. So I'm going to type in my email address one more time. You guys will be doing the same thing. And then it's going to ask for your password. You guys should have this. If not, Mrs. Skolton should have your emails and passwords. So once you have that done, you're going to click sign in. And that will bring you to your Google Classroom. And right now you can see it says you have no classroom. So you need to join a classroom. So you're going to click this plus sign up here. You're going to click join class. It's going to ask you for a class code. Your class code should be the same as mine. YUG5KV. So once I have my class code written in there, I'm going to click join. There we go. It brings you to this classroom. It says there's a boy in the girls' bathroom. And then from there, you can see it says Mrs. Zimba posted a new assignment, character description. So you can click on that and it'll bring you to the assignment. Up here, I have the steps you need to take. So I'll go over that quick. It says, this is just your first assignment. It says, describe one of the main characters in the novel. Step number 1, click on the link below. So this is the link right here. Then number 2, you're going to click File, Make a Copy. This is really important. I'll show you how to do that in a second. And number 3, type. It's supposed to be type or add pictures in the graphic organizer. And then number 4, turn it in to Google Classroom so I can see it. So number 1, I'm going to click on the link below. And if you ever need to go back to the description, you can just click on this tab and it'll be right there. But number 1 was to click on the link. Number 2 was what? File, make a copy. So you're going to file, make a copy. This is the most important step because without doing that, you can't type in any of these boxes because this is my copy. So you need your own. So you're going to go File, Make a Copy. That'll make you your own copy. You're just going to name it, like I'll name it Zimba, my last name, and I'll write character because this assignment's about characters. So you're going to click OK. And now you have your very own copy of this graphic organizer. So now you can go in here where it says type here and you can delete that. And let's say you're talking about Bradley. You're going to write Bradley. You want to say that Bradley is mean. Now I want you to write a little bit more than this, but just for an example, Bradley is mean. And then you'll just type different things about Bradley all around here, whatever character you're writing about. And then here you can write his name, Bradley Chalkers, and then add a picture that represents him. So you can, go to Google, find a picture, find clip art that represents what you think Bradley looks like or something that he likes, and you can put it in the middle there. So once you're all done, you're going to go. Let's pretend I'm done. I'm going to go back to Google Classroom. And here I'm going to say I need to turn this in, so I need to click Add, and I need to click Google Drive. So Google Drive is your folder that everything's going to be saved in. So you'll go here, and you're going to find a Zimba character. That's what I named it. So now, here it is, Zimba character, and you see it's right there, so you're just going to turn it in. Click turn in one more time. There you go. Now you can see it says turned in right there. So now you're good to go. Your assignment was turned in to me, and now I can see it. I can leave comments. I can look at it and give you feedback, and you're good to go. So then from there, you can click here and you can sign out just by clicking that button, and then you'll no longer be logged in. Let's see. So then from now on, I'll add more activities in here as the days go by. So it might not say character description, it might say something else, but you'll just find the one for that day and you'll click on that and do the same steps. All right, thank you guys.